Hello, my dear students. I welcome you to my YouTube channel. I came here to introduce a lab program. In that lab program, number theory. In the number theory, fifth program I want to introduce. That is finding LCM of two integers. See here, generally we all know that LCM of the given integers. So LCM means least common multiple. We all know this. And integer m is called the LCM of given two integers a and b if satisfies the following conditions. That one, if a divides m and b divides m, that means m is a common multiple of a and b. If a divides m and b divides m, so that means a and b have the same common multiple as m. That first condition. And second condition, if a divides c and b divides c with c greater than 0, then m divides c, where m is the least all the among common multiples. So this m is the least common multiples among the all multiples of given integers. Okay, so if you satisfy these two conditions, we will say the least common multiple m is called the LCM of the given integers a and b. Okay, my dear students, I hope you all understood this LCM definition, and here mainly we want to follow this case, two cases. First case, in the first case, LCM of two positive integers a and b is denoted by LCM of a comma b, open bracket, LCM of a comma b. And if you want to find the LCM, so we want to follow this formula. We all know that GCD of two integers a comma b into LCM of the given two integers a comma b is equal to product of that given integers a and b. So this formula, we all know that GCD of the given integers a comma b into LCM of the given integers a comma b is equal to product of that two integers a and b. So by this formula, by making LCM of a comma b as subject, we will get this formula a into b divided by GCD of a comma b. So this formula, by using this formula, we will find the LCM using maximum. So this is the theoretical part. So now problem plot. So for first problem, we have the 4 problems in this program file. 4 problems are there. See here, find the LCM of for the following pair of numbers, given pair of numbers given. See here, 12 and 16 is given. LCM of 12 and 16 we want to find. Generally, we'll do like this. In the lower section, we will do this method. We know this method. So 2 6 are 12, 2 8 are 16. Generally, 2 3 are 6, 2 4 are 8. Next, 2 3 is not come, 2 2 is 4. All primes will come. So that's why. So LCM of this 12 and 16 is LCM of 12 and 16 is, see, product of these all primes we will get. Product of all primes 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 is equal to how much? 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24, 2 is 48. This is a general method in lower classes. But here we want to do this one for our lab program, Maxima program. We want to do like this. This LCM of First, we want to use this formula. This formula, LCM of A comma B is equal to A into B divided by GCD of A comma B. So first GCD of A comma B we want to find. So that's why we want to find first for the first problem 12 and 16 we want to find this one. Okay, GCD of 12 comma 16 we want to find. So that's why for this purpose this purpose, see here, this GCD means we want to find like this 12, least number we want to write here and largest number we want to write here, divisor, dividend and divisor. So this will come one time, 12 1 is 12, 4 will come. So that means this 16 I am writing, this 16 I am writing like this, 12 into 1, remainder how much? 4. So again this 12 I want to write this 12, again remainder 4, 12, so 4 3s are 12. So this 12 is nothing but I am writing like this, 12 is equal to 4 into 3 remainder 0. So up to remainder 0 we want to do this process, up to remainder 0 we want to do this process. So that's why GCD of, which is the least one here, least one, last where remainder 0. So on that case we have to see this one, this bracket number is called a divisor. So here this 4 is called the GCD. Therefore GCD of 12 and 16 is equal to 4. GCD is 4. Now according to this formula is what? LCM of A comma B is equal to what? A into B by GCD of A comma B. So this is equal to A value 12 into B value 16 divided by, see here, I want to do here LCM of what? LCM of 12 and 16 is equal to A value 12, B value 16 divided by GCD of 12 comma 16 is equal to 12 into 16, right as it is. GCD of 12 and 16, how much you got it? How much you got it? 4. So that's why we want to write 4. So GCD of 12 and 16 is 4. So 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 16 3s are how much? 18. So LCM of 12 comma 16 is equal to 16 3s are 48. 48 is the answer. Like this way we want to do here for the for your lab program part. Okay, similarly we have to do second problem. Theoretically, second problem I will do the second remaining problem. We will do 250 and 100. $250 and 100. So we want to find the first GCD of what you want to find? LCM of this 250 and 100. For that purpose, by using, we want to use this formula. So that's why first of all we want to find GCD of A comma B. So that's why GCD of 250 comma 100 or 100 comma 250. So how we'll get? See here, least one we have to write and 250 we have to write here. 100 2s are 200, remainder 50. So that's why this 250 I am writing like this. 250 I am writing like this. So that is 100 into 2 plus remainder how much? 50. 100 into 250. Again this 100 also. Again what is the step? 50. This remainder 50 divided by 100. So 100 divided by 50 is equal to 52 is 100. So here 0 will get here. So my dear students, see here, this 100 is equal to 50 into this divisor into quotient plus remainder 0. Divisor into quotient plus remainder 0. So that's why 50 into 100 is equal. So this 100 like this way. Okay, 0 here. So that's why here GCD how much? 50. So GCD of, therefore GCD of 250 comma 100 is equal to how much? 50 is there. This is the GCD. Now what do you want to find? LCM we want to find. LCM of 250 comma 100. 250 comma 100 is equal to A into B. So 250 into 100 divided by GCD of 250 comma 100. 250 comma 100, which is equal to 250 into 100 divided by this GCD of 250 comma 100 how much? 50. See here 0 0 it cancel, 5 1 ja 5 5 ja 25. So 100 5 ja 500. So LCM of 250 comma 100 is equal to 500. So like this way we want to find the LCM of the given integers, given two integers. Okay, my dear students, we can do this 3 and 4 yourself. Okay, for this one, LCM of 426 and 300 is 21,300, and for this one 420. Yourself only you have to do it. Okay, yourself only you have to do it. This is about a theoretical problem, theoretical part. Now we can, I will do this one. So third problem is what? Third problem 426 and 300. Its answer LCM of 426 and 300 is how much? 21,300. Next, fourth one, find the 14 LCM of 14 and 420. So this LCM is answer. Yourself only you have to do it. LCM of 14 and 420 is 420. Yourself only you have to do it. Now this is the theoretical part. Now I want to move the program part. So in the program part, in general, see here, kill all. In general, kill all we have to write. Kill all we have to write. Next, given integers. First one integer we call it as A, and one more integer we call it as B. So in the first problem, I am taking generally 250 and 100. In next we call it as A1 as A and B1 as B. Why? Because I am taking this LCM here, LCM of A1 comma B1 divides A. So that's why we want to take this A as A1 and B as B1. Next, print the LCM. Print the LCM of A and B. So in this print, we should take care. Print open bracket, double inverted commas, the LCM of double inverted comma close, comma A, comma, ಮತ್ತೆ open double inverted commas and close double inverted comma, comma B, ಮತ್ತೆ double inverted comma, within double inverted comma is we want to write. Next, open bracket close and dollar symbol. So this is the LCM. Now we want to apply the formula. If A is less than B. If A is less than B, then C is B. Again B is A and A is C will come. So that is that one I am representing as if C A is less than B, then C is colon B, comma B is colon A is colon C, then dollar. So next we want to use while loop for if B is not equals to 0. If B is not equals to 0, then we want to use while loop. Why? Because by using while loop, we put in that while loop in the bracket, open bracket. So while A is greater than or equals to B, so B is not equals to 0 means what? Greater than or equals to B I am taking. So then do A is A minus B. Then do A is A minus B, and here A is equal to C. So C is what? B, and B is A is C. So then that this open bracket close here, dollar will happen. Again LCM is A1 into B1 by divides A. A is nothing but here GCD of given integers. So that's why LCM is equal to A1 into B1 by A. See here in the formula we are using A into LCM of A comma B is equal to A into Y by A into B by GCD of A comma B. GCD of A comma B is nothing but I am taking small a. GCD of A comma B I am taking small a here. Small a. So that's why A comma B, A into B I am taking A1 into B1. So divided by A. So now we want to display that LCM. So here LCM. So in the problem, in the maximum I want to show like this. See here for the first problem, see here 12. Yeah, first problem 12 and 16 we want to find the LCM of 12 and 16. So that's why here I enter kill all dollar, next A value 12, B value 16, and A1 value A, I am treating A, and B1 value B. So this B A value treating A1, B value B1. So next LCM, print the LCM of A and B. So like this way. So then if A is less than B, then A is equal to B, B is equal to A is equal to C. So we are using while loop. See here, this will come output like this way. If you want to do next second problem, LCM of 250 and 100, just we change these values. So instead of 12, we have to take 250 and B value have to take 100. Just interchange this A and B value, will get that output like this. See here, LCM of 250 and 100 is what? 500. Like this way we will get. So if you want to do third problem is what? 426 and 300. So that's why again we want to change this A and B values. 426 A value change. Next B value we want to change. B value how much? 300. So by executing this one, shift enter we want to use by executing for execution purpose in the maximum. See here the LCM of 426 and 300 is how much? 21,300. Like this way we will get. And last problem is what? 40 and 420. See here. Anyway, by taking, suppose I am taking 300 here. Here 426. Same will come. Anyone not by interchanging A and B values not a problem. 426. Same answer will come. See here, how much? See here, 21,300. This A and B value by interchanging not a problem. Same answer will come. A and B. So again, see here, 426 here. Next 300 I am writing here. By observe carefully. this value can't change. This value can't change by interchanging like this. See here, same answer will come, 21,300. Okay, my dear students. Next, for the fourth problem, what is that? 14 and 420. 14 and 420. So first 420 I am taking. Next here 14 I am taking. Anyway, we have to take 14. 14 by execution. This one. See here how much answer? The LCM of 420 and 14 is 420. The LCM of 14 and 420 is 420. 420. So by interchanging these values also, we can't change this. See here. Here 14 I am writing 14 and 14 I am taking as 420 I am taking as B and 14 as taking as A, 420. So by execution this one, see here, LCM of 14 and 420 is 420. Like this way, program part completed. Okay, my dear students, I hope you all understood. I will end the program. This one. Next, I will meet the next program. So, for coming the lab program, you must write the manual part and command program. So, again in the lab, I will explain the program part and execution. Okay, so for daily 2 programs we want to execute, so that's why you must, before coming into the lab, we must write in the observation this whole thing and come to the lab. Okay, my dear students, thank you very much. Thank you.